Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the map view within Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done here is I've opened up the sample project that comes with FieldGenius for Android, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Survey over here to bring me to my map screen. And you can see right now that if I move around on the screen, I kind of just got this default view with some roads. Looks like a train track maybe, and not a lot of detail on this map. So if I want to add, say, the satellite image of this map, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the little satellite icon here, and when I select that and go back, you can now see that I have the Microsoft Google Earth equivalent overlay here, so you can see that they've got this office building that they've laid out and the parking lot. Now if I want something different, like let's say I want the topographic view of this, what I can do is select that one, and you can see that I've got quite a bit more detail. So it is in fact a railway here, the CPR railway, and then I've got some hill over here and my elevation differences. So that's that map type. And then my third one is just a blank background. So if you've used FieldGenius Windows, this will probably look more familiar to you, but there's no extra detail. It's just my project information. So those are the three different map types that you can choose. And again, it's just this little map settings icon here on the left side of my map screen. And that is everything for today's video. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or you have any questions about a totally North American surveying solution that we offer here at Benchmark, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.